Hey, I'm Alex from Future Looks, and today we're looking at the Corsair K70 Mark II mechanical gaming keyboard featuring full RGB lighting and Cherry MX mechanical switches. The new and improved media controls, a wider volume roller, and dedicated buttons for adjusting the RGB profiles are welcome changes to the Corsair K70 keyboard. The new model adds underside cable routing channels for additional cable management and small changes in the palm rest texture that add extra grip. The most important factor in purchasing a mechanical keyboard is the quality of its switches. Picking between Cherry MX keys like red, blue, and silent will make a big difference in how the keyboard feels. The blue switches on this model, for example, are very loud and clicky. The Cherry MX red switches, however, are smooth and without an audible click. Your preference is really important here. Also included are a set of gaming style keycaps that have a curved grip rather than a flat one. The K70 still has the same two USB cables, which was my biggest complaint about the previous model, but the new profile buttons, standout media controls, and wider volume roller are big improvements. I also enjoy the addition of RGB lighting to the Corsair logo. The K70 Mark II is everything the original was, but better. It's great to see Corsair making improvements to a beloved product without losing anything in the process. If you already own a K70, this may not be a direct upgrade for you, but if you're looking for a new keyboard with full RGB support, great switches, beautiful controls, and at a good price, the K70 Mark II is for you.